At Aggressive Hydraulics, we're committed to more than just designing and manufacturing purpose-built hydraulic cylinder solutions. We're dedicated to creating a safe, clean, and environmentally responsible workplace. Our facility integrates advanced systems and processes that prioritize environmental care, organization, and employee well-being. Organization is key, with designated staging areas and a purpose-built ERP system keeping workflows smooth and efficient. Cleanliness and order maximize throughput, ensuring quality and reliability in every product. An advanced automated storage and retrieval system further enhances organization by sealing off components, protecting them from contamination and corrosion, while boosting safety, inventory control, and cleanliness. Our RoboVent system goes beyond traditional filtration, with sensors that automatically detect air quality changes and vent only as needed, keeping air fresh and clean for our team. Before each cylinder reaches the paint booth, it's thoroughly cleaned in our dedicated part wash area. Our self-contained, fully vented paint booth keeps paint particles contained, safeguarding our air and providing a safer workspace. All water used is captured and purified with the water maze system, ensuring no contaminants are released into the environment. Metal scrap from CNC and cutting operations is collected and recycled, while CNC liquid waste is processed and recycled after its use cycle, minimizing our environmental footprint. We power our 100,000 square foot facility with 100% renewable energy from one of the largest solar energy facilities in the U.S. This commitment to renewable energy supports sustainability goals and strengthens our competitive edge. Cleanliness and safety remain top priorities. Regular cleaning, year-round climate control, and advanced air filtration contribute to a healthier space for our team while protecting the integrity of our materials. Our ISO 9001:2015 certification highlights our dedication to quality management, efficient processes, and environmentally conscious practices. We're proud of the steps we take to keep our facility safe, clean, and green, building a better future for our employees, our community, and our planet.